Hi, are you ready for the most wonderful time of the year?
Have you thought of what to prepare for Noche Buena?
Are you looking for budget-friendly dishes?
Or maybe you just want to try something new?
Good afternoon, everyone. For our Christmas-themed appetizer, we're gonna make bruschetta with pate and caramelized onions.
We'll be needing 1/4 of an onion fine brunoise, half an onion julienne, 1/4 kilogram chicken liver, 1/4 kilogram of pork liver, and salt, allspice, nutmeg, and ground pepper to taste.
First thing you have to do is you have to place the livers, the chicken liver and the pork liver in separate colanders. Make sure that you salt them before putting them in a colander. And then, place for 5 minutes to drain the excess fluids. After that, we have to boil heavily salted water and then put to a low simmer after boiling. And then we should put the chicken first to the low simmering water. Put chicken and then wait for 2 minutes. And do the same with the pork liver. Now we have to saute caramelized onions. First we have to put olive oil, then butter. That place the onions in the pan. Then after caramelizing this one, turn off the stove and then put this caramelized onions in a bowl. After that, we have to place again oil and butter. Then put the chicken liver to sear. While searing the chicken liver, we have to put allspice and nutmeg. After searing the chicken liver and the pork liver, we now have to cook everything in a pan. Now I'm putting the diced onions and the bacon as well. And then for the final touches, we're now gonna use brandy. And then put it. And our dish is bruschetta with pate and caramelized onions.
Good afternoon, I'm Mike Canonoy and I'm going to present the main course, which is the pork loin medallions marinated with mustard, garlic, and rosemary.
We will be needing 1 kilogram pork loin, Maggi Magic Sarap, rosemary, mustard, ground pepper, salt, and minced garlic.
So we have to mix all the spices, which is rosemary, magic syrup, mustard, pepper, maybe a pinch, and salt. Also, we have to add garlic. Then we have to mix it. After mixing all of the spices, you have to smear it into the pork loin for about 30 to 1 hour. After marinating, we need to place some oil in the pan and butter. Then we need to put the marinated pork loin into the pan. Preheat the oven at 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Then put the marinated pork loin. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! I am Tia
And I am Josa,
and we will be making peaches
and strawberry
ref cake. We will be needing peaches, strawberries, all-purpose cream, Graham biscuits, and condensed milk.
First step, we have to put the all-purpose cream and the condensed milk in one bowl.
And we will be using an electric mixer for it to be mixed thoroughly. Next thing is that we will be layering all the ingredients in one container. First are the layers of graham crackers.
Make sure that the graham crackers will fit properly in the container. Next, we have to put the condensed milk and all-purpose cream mixture on top of the graham crackers until it's fully covered.
Next is that we will be putting the layer of fruits, and the first fruit that we will be putting are the peaches.
After putting the peaches, we have to place another layer of graham crackers.
After putting the layer of graham crackers, again we will put a layer of mixture followed by another layer of fruit, which we will be using strawberries. Finally, refrigerate it overnight.
Again, Merry Christmas everyone!
Really, that's it. That's our 3-course Christmas-themed meal.
For our appetizer, we have bruschetta with pate and caramelized onion.
For our main course, pork loin medallion marinated in rosemary, garlic, and mustard.
And for our dessert, we have peaches and strawberry wrap cake.
We do hope that you will enjoy this Christmas-themed 3-course meal that we prepared for you. By the way, I'm Gab Velasco.
I'm Mike Canonoy.
I'm Christian Ningat,
And I'm Rosa Joaquin.
and we wish you all a very Merry Christmas!
Now we have to put the marinated pork loin in the oven for 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I think our marinated pork loin is ready.